Since we're now in July, now we're doing an event for today, which is the 4th of July, even though it's not about America's 250th birthday, I know. It's about my event. It's Flamelight's third birthday, because even though it was founded 3 years ago, like, what the heck? And also, one time, like, if I'm lucky, we can do big building. Like, if I'm lucky, we can do it today, so we even got the footage, so I'll just send you the video instead of doing it on the short. So, here's the video. I have no idea why I just did this. Like, literally. And then after that, we did, I did nothing else, like, staring at my wall, like, yep, that's it. And wish a happy birthday to Flamelight, and, let's see what's gonna happen next. And also, by the way, I might not be posting until next week, because, yeah, I'm doing this, like, don't know why, because I'm so busy, so, anyways, thanks for supporting Flamelight, I have no idea why, goodbye.